Hey everyone, welcome back to Value Tout TV channel. Have you ever desired to write books yourself and sell to earn a passive income? Today, I'm going to give you the ultimate guide on how to start a profitable Amazon KDP publishing business in 2024. Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing, is Amazon's self-publishing platform that allows you to publish your ebooks and paperbacks directly to their Kindle and print platforms. The great thing about KDP is that there are very minimal upfront costs, and you retain full rights and creative control of your books. The first step is to identify a profitable niche or topic for your book. Some great niches are non-fiction topics like health and wellness, personal development, business, cooking, and diets. Make sure to do keyword research to ensure there is demand for books in your chosen niche. Use tools like Kindle Publisher Keyword Tool or Publisher Rocket to generate keyword and niche ideas. Once you've chosen your niche, outline and write your book. For KDP books, I recommend aiming for 50 to 150 pages for ebooks and a minimum of 28 pages for paperbacks. Make sure to add value for the reader, incorporate keywords naturally, and structure your book professionally. You can learn how to create amazing book covers and interiors on a budget using free tools like Canva. When your book is complete, carefully go through KDP's publishing checklist to ensure your book meets their quality standards. Then upload your book and fill out KDP's publishing form with keywords, categories, pricing, and more. For the best visibility, aim for $2.99 to $9.99 price range. Use KDP's pre-order function to build momentum. Finally, promote your book heavily around the launch date. Run promotional discounts and advertise on Amazon through Kindle ads. Reach out to your email list, build your social media following, and get reviews. Continually publish more books and expand your catalog for higher passive income. The great news is you can publish endless books on KDP at no cost, retain full royalties, and reach millions of readers through Amazon. Just focus on adding value, optimizing your books for discoverability, and expanding your catalog. I hope this video gave you a great overview of how to get started with Amazon KDP in 2024. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. I'll see you in the next one. Feel free to like and share this video. Tell me what part of the video will you work on implementing. Make sure to subscribe for more videos from Value Tout TV channel.